Guys, upstairs. Everybody upstairs. Upstairs. Yo, get this guy. Downstairs.
Hey, yo, rats, I bet you can't catch me. I bet you can't catch me.
I ain't trying to chase.
I will make you baby. Yummy. Chill out. It's just a prank.
Bro, it's just a prank, bro. It's just Halo rats, man. They're Halo rats, bro. Come. Just Halo rats, bro. Oh shit. Oh, this is so fucking funny.
Attack the Titan.
This is so fucking funny.
Come here, Troy.
Hey, you got this, man. Take it easy. We're just Halo rats, bro. We're just Halo rats, man. We're just Halo rats, bro.
We're
Just take it
friendly,
easy.
bro. We're friendly.
Take it easy.
No, yo, catch your breath, bro.
You got this, man. You got this.
Catch your breath.
You're safe, man. We're just Halo rats. We're just Halo rats.
One of us.
One of us. One of us.
Come Halo rats.
Oh shit.
Halo rats.
Look at your toes. Get back here.
Become one of us right now.
One of us.
Come on us.
One of us.
Become one of us.
Become a rat.
Become one of us. Here's I'm gonna suck your toes.
One of us.
One of us.
No portal. No. Watch out. No. Don't go in. No portal. No.
Don't go.
Alright, let's chase this guy, bro. Let's chase this guy. Chase him. Come on, chase him. Guys, cut him off. He's blinking. Upstairs. Cut him off. Oh, he's here. This is literally the funniest shit ever. Spicy.
Go around
Spicy, this is the funniest fucking shit.
us?
I normally go around as Shaggy talking to people.
Indeed is.
Okay, so here's the thing.
You smell like a rat.
I'm laying down on my ground right